Welcome back, guys. We have a new book for you this week. What's it called, guys? Oh,
The Places You Go.
The Places You'll Go by who? Who's the author?
Seuss. Dr. Seuss.
Who are you gonna say, Mom?
Mo Willems.
Oh, Mo Willems. This isn't a Mo Willems book. It reminds us of those, huh? So, Oh, The Places You'll Go by Dr. Seuss. We loved this book, didn't we? We've read this one before. It's a classic. Who is Dr. Seuss? He's an author and also a drawer. So he writes books for kids to read, and he also draws and colors pictures like we like to do here, right? That's pretty cool, huh? What does Dr. Seuss do, you guys, in his books? When he writes, do his words sound kind of similar?
Yeah.
What is that called?
Rhymes.
Yeah, he rhymes. Do you like rhyming?
Rhyming.
You love rhyming, don't you?
And Ellie's class is doing rhyming.
Yeah, they're learning
Rhyme
about
time.
rhyming. Rhyme time. What was Dad's favorite part? Do you guys remember?
Mountain.
Yeah, when it says, "Kid, you'll move mountains." That is definitely one of my favorite parts. Because you know what that means? That means that I believe that you guys are capable of anything. Is that pretty cool? I think you guys will be able to do whatever you want as long as you try your hardest. Is that pretty awesome? On the last page, guess what it says? It says, "Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way." What should we get on our way doing? Drawing! All right, so we're gonna get on our way and start drawing. Okay, so what are we gonna draw, guys?
Mountain.
Yep, we're gonna do kind of on the cover. It kind of looks like a mountain, doesn't it? So we'll do kid, you're gonna move mountain. So we're actually gonna start with the little kid. So we're gonna make him a little bit simpler than what we can see. So we're gonna do just a little circle. So a little circle. Good, good. And we'll do a little nose.
Mine is like a
Looks like the shape of a C. Yeah. And we'll give him little eyes. So 2 little circles, and we'll put dots right in the middle. You guys put dots right in the middle?
No.
Is it pretty small? You can make it a little bit bigger if you want to. And we'll do a little smile. We'll keep it simple and do a cute little smile. Does that look good? And then we'll do a little ear.
I already did my smile.
Perfect, I love
Here's
it.
where he's gonna be sticky.
Oh, that's the platform. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna draw a little hat. So we'll do a little curve up on top, a little S curve, and it'll come up right to a point and have little strings kind of flowing off. So there's my little, oh, the places you'll go, kid. Good hat, Ellie. What's that, Eli? The little hat strings? Good job. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a little neck.
I don't even have hat strings.
So the neck is gonna be 2 lines that comes down from the circle of the head. Yep, good job, Eli. And then we'll do a little collar for his shirt. It kind of looks like he's wearing pajamas, huh? And then I'll draw a little arm that goes out this way. So this will be the top part of his arm, and the bottom of his arm. And we have to make his arm thicker, like this. And we'll draw a little hand. Watch how I draw his hand. Okay, we're gonna draw, it kind of looks like a little triangle. So it'll come out to a point, and then we'll give him a little thumb, and draw it, point it back up. So a little triangle. Good job. Eli, you already drew the other arm? Looks good.
Look.
So let me draw my other little arm. That looks great, Ellie. Good job.
Mine is kind of silly.
Okay, so his other arm is kind of bent. So I'll draw it up like this.
I already did that one.
You did? Okay, hang on, Eli. You gotta go with me, remember?
Yeah.
If you get too far ahead, you might get lost. So try to stick with us. And that goes for you at home too. So if we're ever going too fast, remember you can always pause the video. Right now I'm drawing his body, and it goes down to his bottom and his leg. And then I'll draw his little pant leg. I love it. That looks great. I'll draw a little line here for his belly, his leg down.
Mine
Leg
is
down this
silly.
way.
Mine is seen on the toilet.
What? That's
Yeah.
silly.
Wow, yours kind of looks like a Dr. Seuss guy.
Whose?
Ellie's.
Ellie's? Yeah, that's awesome. So I still need to draw one more hand, so we'll do a little triangle out, kind of make it come to a point, draw his little thumb, and then when you're ready, you can draw a simple little triangle for a foot that comes out this way, and then another little triangle, maybe points down this way a little bit. So a little leg, kind of looks like he's surfing on top of that mountain, huh?
Look.
That's pretty funny.
Look at my toes.
I love it. Okay, so we're gonna pretend, we're gonna start kind of back behind his foot, and watch this. Eli, you kind of have this done already, because you decided that you accidentally made a mistake, right? But you wanted to try to fix that mistake. So if you guys make any accidents at home, it's okay, just shake it off. You can try to recover from it and fix it somehow. Maybe ask anyone in your family to see how you might be able to adjust it to make it work. Okay, so we drew the little platform that he's standing on with like a big oval underneath his feet. And don't forget that line in between his legs. Yep, good job. That pink level that he's on, we're gonna draw, it kind of looks like a pancake or a donut. So we'll make it kind of round on top there. Yep, good job. Kid, you're gonna move mountains. We're gonna draw a big, watch this. We're gonna draw a big little curved line like this.
Whoa.
And then another one on the other side for symmetry. So kind of draw it all the way down here. So a big curved line. Yep, maybe make this one curve out this way, Ellen.
Mine is ginormous.
Be careful not to draw on the table. Okay, now what do we see on that mountain? Do you guys remember when we drew the ice cream cone?
Mm-hmm.
What was on the ice cream cone? Curved lines? What do those curved lines do?
Make it look round.
Yep, they make it look rounded. So watch me real quick. We're gonna simply draw a few random little curves, and it's gonna make it look like that mountain is rounded. So you can draw them kind of randomly. They can be closer together or farther apart.
Mm-hmm. Does that
curved.
have that? That's so.
Yep.
Does it?
All right, now watch. I'm gonna go from the bottom of that line that we just drew. I'm gonna connect that over all the way. And it's okay if it goes off the paper. Just make sure you don't draw on your tables at home, but go off the paper.
If you
and that's
have
gonna
a
be one
Sharpie.
strap.
If you're using a Sharpie.
Yep, if you're using markers, you gotta be careful at home. So you can maybe stay away from the edge. Okay, now watch, there's one last little detail. We'll draw one last little curve going up this way and going back behind it. And then we're gonna draw the curves going the opposite way. So they're actually gonna curve upwards. So something like this.
Why are we doing?
Because these are gonna be the colorful strips that we can color in later.
I don't want to do it later.
You wanna draw these later?
No.
We can do that. Oh, the places you'll go. Okay, so we're pretty much done drawing. You guys are doing good. Make sure you don't get it on your tables, remember? Ellie, you gonna be ready to color? So, pause the video. After you maybe watch our quick sped up coloring round, pause it so you can color it in with us. Maybe watch what colors we use, but have fun picking whatever colors you want to. All right, let's start coloring.
Yeah! My mountain has a bow tie. Ooh.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah. That's pretty funny. Like that, Seuss. He's very funny.
What did we just get done doing, guys?
Drawing the mountain with the kids on.
Drawing the mountain the kids on from Oh, the Places You'll Go. What was your favorite color that you guys chose?
Mine was blue.
Eli's was blue. What was your favorite color, Ellie?
Red and green.
Red and green. I like that Eli chose to color the sky too. Do you guys have any advice on how kids can color? What's something that you guys maybe struggled with?
coloring in the lines.
Yep, coloring inside the lines. So
And not doing white lines.
yep, so trying to fill in all your colors to get rid of some of those white lines that we see through it.
I need them.
That's okay. All right, thanks again for reading this book with us this week. Oh, the Places You'll Go. We hope your family enjoys reading it together. It's very inspiring. What does it teach us? Do you remember?
You can do anything.
You can do anything. Kids, you'll move mountains. Is that awesome?
Yeah.
Oh, the places you'll go. All right, so.
Kids read and draw.
All right, I'll count down. Ready?
Kids read and draw.
What's wrong with you guys? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Kids read and draw. I don't know how.
I know. Okay.
Kids read and draw.
Good job. That was the one. That was the one.
You guys are amazing.
What do we have to remind them to do? Smash that like button. Give us some thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch any more videos that we make together as a family. And you can join in on the fun too. So thanks again, and we hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.